Before starting the video, now I am going to show some slips to you. My question is, every vehicle which runs on land and seas have horn. So do aircraft have horn? Yeah, you think the question is silly. But in our childhood definitely we got such a doubt. The answer is yes, but it is not used to scare birds and to alert the other aircraft on runway. It is a high frequency pitch, sounds like a handbell. It is used by the ground staff to get the attention from mechanical staff. It is mainly used for communication, not to alert as in car. I hope you enjoyed the video and gained some knowledge. Then please like and share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to my channel Student Aviation and click on bell icon. Thank you.